Hi again, welcome to Jack TV. I'm here today to you guys to share the thing that's going on through my life, that Jesus is talking to me and make me see what's going on around the world, globally, not just the world, the universe, what's going on. You know, if you see my previous video, if you happen to see my previous video, before I even get there, I pray, I say, Jesus, the thing that happened to me, I'm sure it's not just happened to me, just me for me to see it. I'm sure it should be able, I should be able to, share it with people. It's not just for me. I mean, I don't have the type of, tools, whatever, say, to throw it to everybody out there on the wall, say, but the people that said, hey, you know what, I try to do my part. I try to do my part to share with some people. If you know other friend, you might forward the video to them to tell them, hey, you know what, I think this story, this thing this guy is telling you, this guy is sharing with you guys, it could help you. It could change your life. Because at that period of time, the thing that I see, Jesus is talking to me. It's in my life. The thing that it shared with me. I mean, I see things that it make me see. It's like the vision that it's like every day that I go to bed, it's like, hey, it's like I'm on a mission. I'm working for the life, to change other people's life, to make other people's life better, to show them that Jesus loves them. Jesus is working for them to have a better life. Jesus is working for them, to protect them. Because there's so many things that I see out there. I don't want to say anything to scare anybody. The thing that I see, there's so many things that I see. It's like so much. It's like Jesus is out there, is protecting us from other things, not to other things to happen to us. Because God don't want to see that after He creating His image, that He's human, and all of a sudden, say for us not to be there anymore, because that's why He said Jesus to saving us. And all the thing is like He's protecting us. It's like Jesus out there is walking. He's there with you guys. He's there with you. It's among you. It's there with you. It's around you. It's all over. The thing that, because of my prayer, I say, Jesus, I want you to make me see things more clearly, to understand things more clearly, what's going on around the world, what's happening. Because I'm seeing like why there's other people suffering. Why there's people suffering? Like you see people suffering around, those who suffering, those who battle, who doing war. Why all that thing? I say, put me in a position, put me on a mission, use me. What can I do? Use me, put me a part of the mission, make me see what's going on around the world. And to be honest with you, all that happened, my prayer was answered. And all of a sudden, I have, every day that I have dreams, I have, vision, things that were happening to make things better and around the world. So, I was there. I was in a mission. To be honest with you, America is on the top. He has a big responsibility in his hand. The person, because it's like you guys, that's why it's like you guys are on the, in a big mission. I mean, Jesus is putting those who in power, those who know that could make things happen around the world, to change people's heart, to make people see things. I mean, to love other people, to treat people like you want to treat yourself, to other people like you want to treat yourself, to be loved, all these things. I mean, guys, I see so many things that's happening. I mean, there was a time that I go through so much things. I see, because I asked for it, I asked for the mission, because I don't know, because at that time I'm from Haiti, because the fact that the way that I see the people that was in Haiti suffering, I say, it was come to, I say, what can I do for those people? I was in the mortgage industry, all that type of thing. Not long story to be told. I was trying to make, income in order for me to help other people out there in my hometown, in my hometown. But that wasn't enough. How will I be able to do all that? I'm like, Jesus, put me in a position, not just for Haiti, for the other people in all the country that suffer. Hey, who knows? I mean, the fact that I was in that position, all of a sudden, see, I have that feeling, that Jesus used me. I say, and all of a sudden, see, I start to get all those emotions, all those feelings, all those things that's happening around me. I mean, there was a time that I go through so much. I'm like, wow, I cannot. There was a time it was so much thing that I was going through. I was not able to keep up. I was going through so much. I'm praying every day, every time, say I'm on my bed, say I'm having this vision. I see myself in so many different places, and I'm asking Jesus to protect me. Guys, stay tuned. I have more to come. I have more to come. Stay tuned and Jack TV. This is Story 3.